We'll guide you through how to fix easy anti-cheat not installed on Steam games. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So the game won't launch. First, open Steam and go to library. From here, find the game that's showing the error. In my case, it's VR chat, so I'll just right click on it and just click on manage, and from here just select browse local files like so, and our file explorer will open, and inside this folder look for easy anti-cheat folder and open it. In here, you will see a file called as Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. This file is used to install or repair the anti-cheat system. Just right click on the file and click on Show More Options. From here, just click on Create Shortcut. And once that the shortcut is created, just right click on the shortcut, go to Properties. And from here you will see an option labeled as target box. Just go to the very end of the target box like so by using the keyboard also, and press space once and type this exact command. Just type install space prod hyphen and fn. This command basically tells the setup to properly install the anti-cheat for your game. Click on apply and click on OK. And this time, just right click on your shortcut once again and run it as an administrator. Running it as an admin is important because it gives the permission to install the required files. After this finishes, try launching your game again. And if it still does not work, just go back to Steam and right click on your game like so and click on Properties. From here, just go to Installed Files and just click on View Integrity of Game Files. This will scan your game and fix any missing or broken file automatically. And once it's done, launch your game again and the issue should be fixed. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.